Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Air Fryer Recipes app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Air Fryer Recipes is a healthy cooking app designed to provide users with a wide variety of recipes specifically for air fryers. It features breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack recipes that focus on healthier cooking options. Users can search recipes by ingredients, dietary preferences, or meal type. The app also includes step-by-step instructions, nutritional information, and tips for getting the best results from an air fryer. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate its easy-to-follow instructions, clean interface, and well-organized recipe categories. The app helps users discover new dishes, plan meals, and maintain a healthier diet with air fryer cooking. Many also like the feature that allows saving favorite recipes and creating personal collections for quick reference. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some recipes and advanced features require a subscription, which might not be affordable for everyone. A few users report occasional glitches or slow load times, and the recipe database may not be as extensive as some professional cooking apps. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Air Fryer Recipes app may be worth using if you're looking to cook healthier meals with an air fryer and want easy access to a variety of recipes. It excels in organization, ease of use, and healthy recipe ideas. However, if you're looking for fully free access or an extremely large recipe library, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.